I'm Saijit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the display comparison between the MI 11X device versus the Poco X3, and which is also called as Poco X3 Pro. Both phones are the same kind of displays, and it is a Realme X7 Pro device. So this is another display comparison which I'm trying to do today. And yesterday I did another display comparison, friends, previously, and a lot of users, they requested me to add the Realme X7 Pro and the Poco X3 Pro and Poco X3 as well in terms of the display comparison. So that of making this kind of video particularly again for those kind of users. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more future updates. So let's begin this kind of display test, friends. And first thing is that let's talk about the display specifications of the three smartphones, which phone has what type of technology AMOLED they are using. So right now the Mi 11X has the AMOLED panel, which is a E4 AMOLED technology from the Samsung, and which has a 120Hz refresh rate display as well in this phone right now. And whereas the Poco X3 and the Poco X3 Pro, they both have the 120Hz IPS LCD panel displays. So that is what the Poco X3 and Poco X3 Pro they are using. And this is the Poco X3 model which I am trying to use, as you can see, friends, and it is the Realme X7 Pro, which has got the Samsung's E3 type of panel. So E4 is present already in the Mi 11X device, so this is a E3 type of panel. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the better contrast ratio and colors as well. And here are the quick settings which I'm trying to use right now in this test, as you can see here. So I'm trying to maintain the auto and the default in all the three smartphones, as you can see. So that of just showing you the test settings what I'm trying to use every time before actually starting the test results. So let me try to close all the phones. So these are all the three smartphones look in terms of the white color. So this is a settings application which I have used, which I'm trying to open in all the three smartphones. Let me try to keep in full brightness, so you might be able to see the difference in terms of the white colors, as you can see. So right now all the three smartphones are using the full brightness mode at the moment. So the Mi 11X has got the 1300 nits of maximum brightness, and whereas the Poco X3 and X3 Pro, they both have the 450 nits of brightness, I think 450 or 480, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro has got the 1100 nits of brightness. So these are the comparisons, friends, between all the three smartphones, as you can see here. So in terms of the brightness, I can actually see the Realme X7 Pro slightly feels kind of more brightness levels, as you can see. So both phones you can actually see the text properly, but in the Realme X7 Pro you won't be able to see the text properly because of the high brightness level. That is what I'm guessing right now. So right now I'm trying to use one of the application which will actually demonstrate the screen performance levels in terms of the colors. So let me try to start playing. As you can see, friends, all three smartphones with the red color. So doing this type of testing, friends, I won't be editing the video at all in terms of the color accuracy. So I'll be leaving the as it is, the direct footage, so you will get to know all the results. So right now let me try to change the color. As you can see, this is with the different kind of green colors in all the three smartphones. So Mi 11X and the Poco X3 and X3 Pro, and here is the Realme X7 Pro. So these are the three smartphones which I'm placing right now, as you can see. So all the three smartphones are with the 100% brightness level at the moment, and this is a white color. As you can see, this is another color. This is a normal color. As you can see, friends, these are the results between all the three smartphones in terms of the colors. So this is what I'll be doing, friends, using this kind of application which will be demonstrating you the colors of all the three smartphones. So which phone will be the best. So I'll try to use another video as well, sample video. So I thought of just demonstrating in different kind of manner instead of just directly showing you the video. So before that, let's see how the three displays are calibrated in terms of the colors. So same time I'm trying to use, and you'll be getting the different results at same time, as you can see, friends. So let's do the saturation test. What will be the results are, as you can see here. So this is another maximum brightness test which is present here. So let me try to open the maximum brightness test in both the smartphones. As you can see, this is a maximum brightness in all the three smartphones. So definitely the Realme X7 Pro and the Mi 11X does feel some kind of brighter than the Poco X3s and X3 Pro display, obviously. As you can see, friends, right now all the three smartphones are playing with a full brightness mode at the moment. full brightness, as you can see, all the three smartphones. So which I'm trying to play the same video in all the three smartphones, and is a quick review on all the phones. So Realme X7 Pro on the top and Poco X3 in the middle, and here is the Mi 11X device in the bottom, as you can see here, friends. All the three smartphones which are ready here. So do let me in the comments below which display you felt the best and why as well. So for me, definitely friends, the display which looks brighter is the Realme X7 and X7 Pro and the Mi 11X. So I'll be giving definitely the points to the Mi 11X device and the Realme X7 Pro. So slightly better points for the Mi 11X device because the phone has got small punch hole camera in the middle, so which makes really good, and even you do get the lot of software customization option which is available here. So where you can select different colors and you can change all the form factor of the video, as you can see here. These are normal original colors, this is how it looks, and if you change to the HDR, the colors will change slightly, as you can see, friends. So let me try to use the normal colors without any kind of modification, so you'll be able to see the actual difference in terms of the colors in all the three smartphones. And the reason why I'm using this video is particularly because every time you'll get this kind of dark scenarios, and you'll be able to see only in the small certain number of phones, only this kind of small area brighter. So that is why every time I'll be using this kind of method, and you can see all the viewing angles. So definitely friends, make sure to comment below which display you felt the best as well in terms of the viewing angles and the overall colors, so while watching the videos. As you can see from the top view, you can see the clearly. So this video is not edited in any part, so that's why friends, you'll get the really good colors, so you can actually feel the difference while watching this kind of videos in the display comparisons. So make sure to comment below friends, what are your thoughts about the display comparison, and in case if you're having any other smartphone in your mind which you want me to compare, definitely I'll do my best to compare with other smartphones, so in terms of showing which display will be the best as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.